Hey, Mark here from Whole Latte Love. Got an ECM Synchronika with me here today. Really love this machine. What I'm going to show you how to do is return the PID settings to where they came from the factory, and this will also reset the fill mode on the machine. Why might you want to do this? Well, if you're going to store the machine for a little while, you're going to drain the boilers out, then when you start it up next time, the boilers will fill properly. It'll go through the fill procedure. Or let's say you went a little too deep into some of the PID settings and got into those things you shouldn't touch and you want to reset all those, this will do that for you as well. Couple links down below. One showing you how to drain the boilers on the Synchronika if you wanted to store it or if it's going to be in a really cold environment. Another link down there is how to set the basic settings. So your temperature, if you need Fahrenheit or Celsius on the display, you want to set the eco mode, or you want the backflush reminders set. So really easy to do on this machine. Notice my power's off. That's where you want to start. And then you're just going to press and hold the plus button and turn the power on and wait. And what we're waiting for is PRS in the display. Now, this is a newer Synchronika made in 2021. Front into maybe a couple of older Synchronicas where instead of holding the plus, you hold the minus. And that's what we're waiting for right there is PRS. Again, if you do this with the plus key and you don't ever see PRS, try it with a minus key. I've run into a couple that's how it works. So once you have that, just turn it off, and that's all there is to it. That'll reset, so when you turn the machine on, it'll go through the proper fill procedure, and also reset all the PID settings. I do hope that helped you out. I'm Mark from Whole Latte Love, and I hope to see you back here soon for more of the best on everything coffee.